Hi, my name is Christian from CFMOTO. I'm going to give you some insights about the CFMOTO 450NK. Let's have a look together at the main features of this incredible bike. An aggressive front-end design, complete with a projector-style LED headlight and muscular dimensions, casts an imposing shadow. A split-seat design, side-mounted exhaust with exposed engine, shows sharp lines and modern styling details with premium finishes throughout. The CFMOTO 450NK boasts upright bars, a clear forward view and freedom of movement thanks to a comfortable and unintimidating seating position. This, along with a low center of gravity, awards riders with unmatched control while navigating through traffic or blasting along country roads. Powered by a water-cooled 449cc parallel twin with electronic fuel injection, the CFMOTO 450NK churns out a respectable 34.5 kilowatts and 39 Newton meters. A slipper clutch and a double balancer shaft are also fitted for added refinement. This, along with traction control as standard, makes the 450NK hard on performance but easy on the ride. The CFMOTO 450NK is engineered for exceptional handling, boasting an advanced steel tube frame, 130mm of suspension travel, a dry weight of only 165 kilograms and CST tires. This street fighter is ready to take on any stretch on the road, not to mention an excellent fuel capacity of 14 liters. Catering to the modern rider, the CFMOTO 450NK features a full color-curved 5-inch TFT display. This gives rider access to the important vehicle information as well as navigation and the shift light. The T-Box takes the TFT dashboard even further with smartphone connectivity and OTA functionality, with an additional Type-C and Type-A charging port for convenient device charging. The CFMOTO 450NK is available in two colors, Nebula White and Sapphire Blue. Thanks a lot for watching. If you want to test ride or know more about the bike, please get in touch with a local dealer by finding them in our dealer locator in our website. The link you find below in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.